Hey yo, how's it going everybody? Welcome back to another live stream. Guys, yes, I am wearing a Spider-Man t-shirt cuz I don't know, yeah, I should have worn a rat t-shirt, but I got a surprise for you. Just let's wait for 5 minutes and I'll show you. In the meantime, if you're watching, please say hi, or please don't just lurk in the stream, because otherwise that's just, I think if it's more interactive it's more fun. So yeah, today it's the usual stuff, guys. It's the usual stuff, usual cooking. It's the 7th episode. I'm recovering from all the conferences and travels, kind of. So we're just getting into the Ratatui grind again. So that's what we're doing. I'm gonna slowly get started with filtering my inbox for Ratatouille stuff, so that we won't wait for that. Give me a second. I think I'm gonna do. I mean, for some reason I know how to use the filters on Gmail. It's a bit of a cringe thing to know about, but whatever. Can't really flex about that. Yeah. Got my water over here. I'm just drinking from this, guys. I don't have my bottle here, so just excuse me for a second. All right, we get some stuff to do. I mean, I've been not doing things for some time. I think a couple of days. Should get back into reviewing stuff and just working on stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna pull something up real quick. So let's get started with this one. Just a little warm up, I guess. This is an old issue. Multi-column table cells. Yeah. So add an option to cell structure, take it into account when rendering table. But this is like an addition to the cell that we already have in Ratatouille. So if you go to cell, it's the widget cell. So right now this can take only a single column, or like the content, like a line, or let's say text to be more correct. And this says let's just have it, let's just support like multiple columns in this. So let's see what Josh said here. My idea for the API would be something similar to the current style field. In other words, have the cell struct take a vid field. Somebody just said, oh, Pisco. I don't know if he's here today. Usually joins the live streams, but he's not here today. So he says, I want it. Simple as next step. There's to write some concrete examples. I wrote an implementation for this. Instead of changing style, it adds a new call span field to cell. Yeah, I mean, seems like... Yeah, I mean, it looks like what we want, so I'm gonna just reply here. That looks like... Let's describe... it's a bit of a, I don't know, column span. How to have a deeper look if you could provide APR. I'm curious about the implementation and how complex it turned out. Alright, so that's that. Let's continue. Oh, there's a PR already. I didn't see that. Let's edit the comment. Alright, discover as a call span fill the table cells. If the default value is 1, larger values will cause cells to span over multiple columns, being rendered over all columns plus the spaces between them. The spaces between them, that's... I'm not sure about that. Just overrides it, I guess. Right, so guys, 1 second. By the way, please, or let me say, feel free to say hi in the chat. I just want to know who's watching the stream. If we hit like enough people, I got a surprise for you. I got a yeah, maybe you guys seen it from my socials, but I want to show you something. But first I need to get some interaction from the chat, you know. Anyways, so we got our AI thing here. AI thing, that's an interesting thing to call the ChatGPT. I'm gonna review this properly actually, so I'm gonna pull the changes to my local environment. So it's in the table RS. You know, one thing that you should be really careful about as an open source developer is that which PR or like which issue that you interact with, because if you interact with something, that means that you'll be responsible for it. And if this is something, if that is something that you're not really interested in, it's gonna just like overwhelm you over time. So right now I am pretty aware that if I review this PR, I'll be responsible for it, and to follow up on that, you know. I don't want to just, you know, ghost people, ghost their work and make them feel bad, so gotta do that. Just building Ratatui now. So colon with iterator. So we get a loop here. So we get a for loop, and inside of for loop we have another loop. So what is this for loop doing right now? Just goes through each row. Well, I'm not a favorite. Yeah, you know, I'm not a favor of having multiple loops and matches and stuff like that in here. It looks a bit ugly to me. No man, this code is not great. I mean, it's super complex. So I'm gonna get some opinions from ChatGPT about this. Get a message from LinkedIn. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do something like this. I gotta ask, can you break this down? I want to understand how call span works. So this is that line. Wait, what? Where's this code? Selection width. Okay, it's here. Call span logic. Okay, there you go. This is the part that I want to understand. Okay, so I'm lost here. Okay, how many columns it spans for each of those gonna be pulled from its turn, and then get the total width. Yeah, I mean, I get the logic, but it's very complex. It's call span logic seems complex. Any other ideas to simplify it? The inner loops and multiple match. Actually, maybe we could simplify this a bit. Seems complex. Be nice to simplify this as maybe as a inner function. Instead of using number suffixes, also be a name. Also Let's see the CI. All right. Moving on to other PRs. Guys, give me a second. I need to get a pillow for this chair. One sec. I'll be back. All right. Adding benchmark for text. Oh my god, can I just scroll to the top? Okay. I don't know why I'm so sleepy today, god damn. Let me take a look at it. Some comments are invisible on the classic files changed page. No, I'm not gonna switch to new experience, whatever the fuck that is. Alright, let's see. What is this? I think this should reference to this. It would be Yeah, I mean, we just like link to the same issue in other benches, so I'm not gonna touch it for now, I guess. All right. There's one other thing that I want to reply to. Let me pull that up. Looks like the table doesn't expose the rows. It doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't return rows. So any modification to the rows requires reconstructing the table, which means cloning all the vector of rows after doing any change. Let me think about this. So you don't want to clone the rows. You'll have an ownership issue. Not sure this is actually merged, but no. Okay, it's now merged. So this aims to fix that performance issue a little bit, but we didn't really oh, I can review this. Okay, cool. But about this one though, I'm thinking what we can do. Is this also what I'm doing in here? I mean, this last comment is not really about the lagginess of the table, but it's about, I think, performance. I mean, even though it was like returning the rows, not sure. I mean, we have a table state now. Can you share a code? Probably don't need to reconstruct the whole table widget if you use those to set the rows and use iterators. Your chat is in subscribes only mode, which might seem like a good way to get people subscribed, but more likely people will just leave. Or I didn't know it was in subscriber only mode. I'm just made aware of that because you said that. I don't usually do that, by the way. I don't know why it was in subscriber only mode, but there you go. It was not intentional, is what I'm saying. I'm not trying to get subscribers, bro. Yeah, I mean, I guess it's the default thing. I mean, I usually turn it off, but I edited the time of the live stream. Like I made it 12:15, maybe. While I was editing that, it just like reset it to default, and then yeah, I was just stuck in subscriber only mode. And use. Okay, let me just post that. So copy on right type for the contents of tables and lists. Alright, let's have a look. So what is this macro? List items. Oh, this is a new module. It's a macro. So what did Josh say? Josh said something about putting this in macros, I think, because we have our Ratatui macros. Yeah, I think it makes sense. As Josh pointed out earlier. What do you think about moving this to the T macros? I think there it would be. I mean, yeah, it's mostly fine, but just the macro is, I think it needs to be moved, but let's see what they say. Alright, I'm gonna take a look at something else. In case you're wondering what we're doing on this live stream, I'm just like taking a look at some random issues. You know, I'm just doing whatever I would do, but just on live stream. Adding support vertical gauges. While I was looking Suzy ERS, I had one time thought of a layout where you gauge in vertical orientation, represent car temperature, but I don't think it's supported. Yeah, I don't think it's supported either. Line gauge. Opening issue for discussion is for supporting this. A very niche case, perfectly fine and implemented as realistic. Wait, actually, let me just run some examples. Dude. Oh, we are on a very old copy of the main, I think, here. Let me just go to widgets again. Alright, now we have the line gauge example. What? Alright. I remember seeing some vertical gauge or something like that. Maybe I can just take a look at the widgets readme. I mean, there you go. It's bar chart. Okay, I'm gonna ask a stupid question to ChatGPT. Line gauge versus vertical. Yeah. I think it's a nice widget, like vertical line gauge. Hello, thanks for the issue. An amazing project. I think it would be great to have this. Maybe let me just say the bar chart stuff first. Singular bar chart. So the implementation. Just saying in case. Need a I think this would be how did you implement it? I mean, seems like hello Justas, how's it going? Implemented a demo. Maybe consider making it a RC widget. See if people would be interested before considering a PR to here. Alright. How you doing, man? I'm just chilling, man. I'm just grinding, you know? Same stuff. Cooking. You're in the kitchen. You know how it is. Okay, make scrolling regions configurable at runtime. We just like swim. I cannot even talk. You're just swimming through issues, man. Like we're just like in the sea of issues. Like it's an ocean. You have a lot of stuff to do, man. How are you doing, man? How's life on your end? So your workshop shorts, is it in Japan? Yeah, that was in Japan. It was fun. You should watch the whole thing. It went great. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. So Codex review, didn't find any major issues. Codex is like, just merge it, looks good to me. I mean, I think this is alright. Love the guy with the train timetable in the embed. Yeah. It's a nice project. Yeah, definitely. I hope he follows up on that and just builds a, you know, like a Wi-Fi or like Bluetooth communicated one with the real train times and stuff. Scrolling method. Terminal scroll regions. I think there should be like a high level documentation for this, no? Yeah, real timetable. Trains are always on time. They're very confusing though. Like, there are so many lines, man. There's just so many. Get the scrolling method used to scroll the terminal. Then you can use a foot link like this. I see way too many lines. Now I get you. Yeah, it's crazy, man. I got lost like multiple times. First time I tried to use train, I got lost and I gave up. And actually, first and the last time. First time I was like, okay, I give up. I got out of the subway station, whatever. Just started walking. And the last time I was just going to the airport. I couldn't find the line. I couldn't find a train. I ended up in an freaking mall, and I was like, fuck this. So I took a taxi. It was a bit annoying, but whatever. I'm just a rookie in the Japan game, you know. Very loving unused variables, man. What the hell? Instead, we could prefix them with. Couldn't we? It is scary, man. You missed the flight. No. I didn't miss the flight, but like it was like, you know, it was a bit annoying. You're trying to find the train to go to the airport, and it's like nowhere to be found. And I asked multiple people, and they show me, but I was like, fuck man, where is this shit? And I got the whole 25 kilo suitcase with me, so I was just like dragging that with me all the time. Shit man, it was annoying. Okay, same above. You could improve the looks link here and other places. Have you ever been to Japan, Justice? Applies for the other places as well. I never left my country. Got you. To be honest, I like this implementation. Like being able to change this at runtime. It's pretty nice. Will you be on Rust Week in Netherlands? Hopefully, man. I'll try to be there. Gotta get a visa for that. But yeah, let's see. I honestly like this implementation. Couldn't see the part where it's being dynamically decided which one to use though. Okay, here it's being checked here. Okay, I got you. Yeah, well, we're gonna see. How about you? You gonna be there? Yeah, they're doing that in Utrecht. I don't know why they change the city every year. It was in Delft, and then it was in, where was it though? I think Utrecht last year as well. I remember like they kind of changed the city. No, I'll not be there. I'm broke. I feel you, man. I feel you. I mean, it's fucking expensive there. I've been there twice, and fucking hell, dude, everything is so expensive. It's crazy. To be honest, I don't want to go there because it's expensive, but I want to go there because it's Rust, you know? But man, it's crazy. Okay, so that's that. Basically, this is the whole thing that I want to point out here. I was gonna say something else here as well. Oh, I need to ping Yagoda here. This looks pretty good to me. I'm not certain about the side effects. This on embedded, so ping Yagoda. Also the error. Okay, that should be enough. Yo, the New Era Chronicles, man. What up, man? How's it going? Guys, let's get 5 likes on this live stream, then I'm gonna show you something. Let's get 5 likes, guys. I'm not asking for too much. 5 likes. Give it a thumbs up, people. I got a pretty cool thing to show you, but I'm just waiting for more people to show up. Alright, moving on to other PRs. Okay, 4. One like more, and then I'm gonna show you something super fucking cool. Okay, trust me. Let's set a goal for this live stream. 1 super chat. Timer 1 hour. Okay, guys, I set a goal, but well, I couldn't. Okay, YouTube is broken. Whatever. Guys, come on, 5 likes. Let's get this. All right, I'm gonna, in the meantime, work on my PR. One sec. Last time is Berlin. What do you mean last time? Okay, 5 likes. Guys, are you ready? Are you ready for this? So, you know I have this rat, right? You see this rat, right? Guys, we got that rat printed. Boom. Check this shit out. It's not painted yet. I'm gonna paint it soon, but we got this rat actually printed. Look at this shit, man. It's too bright, I know, but what can I do to show you? But oh shit, buy you a coffee. Shingo, thank you, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, baby. Look at this. Guys. Isn't this just amazing? I need to paint this today. Shingo, my man, thanks a lot, by the way. So I got this thing printed. One of my friends, he was like, man, it's too bright, I cannot even show you. I need to paint it really soon. God damn. But you know, we got this rat now. I can just put it in my, you know, it's real, guys. It's real. It's not real. Don't screenshot this and post it on Discord, please. Don't screenshot this, all right? But yeah, I need to finish painting this, and then I'm gonna put it right here. Put it right here. Oh man, it's gonna be so good. Yeah, bro is buff. No, Shingo is not the timetable terminal guy. He's the yeah, he was in the meetup as well, but it's not that person. Yeah, bro is buff. Maybe I can just put it in the... Get the hell out of here, gopher. Alright. Boom. Just imagine that, but painted. It's gonna be so good. Anyways. Yeah, Rust Week. Last time? No, it was in Netherlands too. The playlist feels like a banger for coding. I'm gonna send you the link. Just some ideas that my problem is unlocked with the assumption that you understood what I want to hit me back if it's not clear and clarify more. No worries. Yeah, it was in Netherlands. So let me actually rebase this. Yeah, I need to check out add visual rect tests and rebase main. Thank you for the hearts. Whoever is sending the hearts, appreciate the hearts, man. I really need some of that in my life. All right. One second, I'm trying to set something on my YouTube chat window, but I couldn't. Anyways, so I'm the one who was sending it because in a few minutes I'm gonna betray you. Dude, why are you doing that? Why? Why are you doing that? By posting the buff red? No, man, no. Don't do that, please. So rect rs. I think it's in the layout rect rs. And then we go here. Alright, we're gonna just wait for the Rust compiler now. It's a bit of a problem. Jokes aside, I love you and your work, man. Keep doing what you're doing, and hope you have been on Rust Week. Fingers crossed so you get the visa process to easy, because I know it's gonna be a little hectic. Yeah, appreciate it, man. Thank you. So I don't quite remember what I added in this BR, so I'm gonna just take a look at my changes. I did this like 20 days ago. Inner buffer. Yeah, I see. Hello, in workshop you showed a microcontroller you made, guitar tuner. Is the source code available? I want to take a look at it. Yeah, it's available right here, sir. I'm gonna send a link, but it's work in progress, just saying. It's still work in progress. I'm gonna show you real quick. It is this thing over here, and we got some rat inside. Yeah, I still need to finish this project, man. God damn. So many stuff to do, but it's running, so boom. All right. I'm pro advocate of letting us use lower level languages, but those compile times are really distracting. Yeah, I am. I mean, I'm getting used to it now. Real-time tablature would be cool. I think I'm not sure what tablature is, but if it's just tabs, then it shows the tabs. I don't know what tablature is. Hello, High-end Radwan. By the way, just answer your question already and saying hello afterwards. But anyways, so I'm gonna get some help from my AI friend over here. I have these tests. I'm just gonna paste Josh's comment here. I mean, this is like, yeah, this is a bit like an integration test, I think. So maybe it makes sense to move them to integration tests. Ratatui core. Do we have tests? Like directory? Somewhere? It's in the Ratatui tests. So, okay. So maybe I can just create it. So this is like rect, right? You know, using OpenCode and AI engine, I was kind of hesitant to try it first, but now it's hard for me to not use it. Newman, first someone done OpenCode in the side pane. No, I'm not using anything yet. I'm thinking of using that something soon though. I need to take a look into it. Do a proper research and see the, you know, find the best one with the terminal. Best one with the best terminal experience or something like that. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna look for tests. What is NCS? Okay, I need to... Okay, I will make them duration tests. It's proper. Filled. Abstraction. Give me the integration test module. Yeah, I wish they used Ratatui, man. Extract the similar tests from this module. Alright, let's start copying stuff out. Damn, so many lines. I don't think we'll be able to copy all that outside of it. Maybe just copy this. Yeah, I need to make this better somehow. There's a bit more work that I didn't really sign up for actually, but we can take a look. Alright, let's try this. It's actually not Ratatouille, but like Ratatouille core. Okay, how do I run this only? Oh, I think it's already being run here. Okay, I have an idea. Here's the full module. Want you to well, this looks not bad actually. I mean, compared to the other one. So here we have filled. You're just doing clamping, filling. Well, clamping is because of the test, but filled. Okay, what was Josh saying again? Inner, filled, merge. Okay, we're not doing any of that here. That's cool. I really need a tea or coffee right now, man. I mean, of course I can get one. Yeah, I think I know Francisco. We haven't talked or something, but I know him from Twitter, I believe. I'm getting emails about my reviews for other PRs. What is this microphone doing? Alright, let me just start fixing stuff, man. I feel very tired all of a sudden. Okay, what am I supposed to use here? I was stream watching a silently random question. Have you worked with C before Rust? Yeah, I did. Sadly. I had one open source project written in C before Rust. Not one actually, multiple. But you know, the packaging and all the ecosystem stuff was not great. You guys should meet. It would be fun interviewing him. Bro worked in PHP. I mean, I have some history with PHP over here. So, I don't know, maybe you should talk, I don't know. All right, there we go. So that's that. Maybe I can make the construction a bit. Yeah, I think it's all right. I'm thinking if I should add in like a new method, like a constructor or something, you know. But then it will look something like new. Yeah, let me do that actually. Maybe not. I think it's fine. I think it's fine. Yeah. Yeah. All right. So this is the final module. Some other review comments. Which test is that actually? Let me see. It was on line 742. 742. 742. So that is inner. It's this test. One, two, 3. Well, I'm not sure what he means here. Oh, okay. I think I know. 2, 1, 2. Well, let's just use this then. Okay, let me just reply here, because this is not clear to me. So I tried XO. I mean, visually, I don't see a difference, man. Joining my lab, okay. Still can't use laser like I can use VS Code. It is hard. Maybe you're not lazy enough. You know. After 15 minutes till then, see you, brother. See ya. Hopefully I won't end the stream until then. Probably not though. Guys, please stop working on open source for a second, okay? Let me just get to low numbers in the PR list and in my notifications, then you can start again. But I mean, you know, of course I'm joking, but I am trying to like finish stuff, and then more that I finish stuff, I get more stuff to work on. Usually I don't Oh, maybe he says that for the background. Do you mean the background? But he doesn't say the background, so I don't know. Okay, I'll just reply like this. I think I use these same code blocks but change them accordingly to the comments. This should fail now. There you go. I'm still, yeah, I'm still confused about this comment. Verify this. Should I call these rect buffer tests or something like that, maybe? Yeah, let me just do that, maybe. I think I have some unnecessary imports somewhere. So I'm gonna call these rect buffers. How should I name the integration test file? I'm thinking rect buffer rs. Rect render elect. Okay. Actually, let's just call it rect. All right, that should be good. I also think that these heads are these tests are doing a bit more than unit tests should do. So I extracted and moved all of them into a integration tests folder. Alright, let's run them. By the way, anyone joining recently, please, feel free to say something in the chat. I'm gonna show you what I'm working on. Guys, I'm working on this. Alright, stay tuned. We're gonna have this rat, Chef Rat. This is our mascot, guys. I'm gonna paint it soon. I have actually 3 more of these with different sizes. I got a smaller one, I got a smaller one, and I got a tiny one. Boom. Best freaking thing ever in the whole world, man. So good. Hi Orhun, what do you think about Omarki? Hey Nikolai, I haven't tried it out, but seems very promising. I've been seeing that around for some time now. One of my friends, whom I want to interview on this channel, he got one of his tools being used or something like that in Omarki. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It's, one thing that I want to say, I haven't looked into it, but it feels a bit opinionated, which is fine. But yeah, what do you think about it? Alright, I'm gonna post these comments. I'm just reviewing my own PR, which is a bit weird. I think this is gonna be fine. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 functions removed. 5 functions removed, and 5 functions should be added here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Alright, let's force push and also no verify it. Alright, boom. Did I push it? So I don't see my changes here. I'm gonna ask for another review actually. Where is Jagoda? Jagoda she needs to get back on the Ratatui grind, man. Dude, where's my changes? Supposed to have a tests directory here. Where is that? Okay, we got it here. Oh, makes sense because I removed the other stuff. So, okay, Clippy is failing. God damn it. I'm gonna just fix that, I guess. Can we do tests? Oh, I can do that? Damn, okay. I didn't know you could run Clippy on individual tests like this. Interesting. Because I guess we live with learn or some shit, I don't know. Alright, let's force push it again. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. Everything's gonna be fine, people. We got a comment. Aleyküm selam. Turkish English with Treborcha was not straightforward as used engage. Yeah. What felt weird for me was in demo. Temperature mapping for temperature again. It makes sense to leave it as a third party widget, although it's quite small. Maybe I can learn to see more making with some widgets. Check response. I share changes I made. Closing. Yep. Perfect. Perfect. Got it. Seems quite straightforward enough. Maybe we could leave this issue open so that if someone interested, if someone else is interested, he could comment and if you get enough interest, you could ideally create a PR from those changes. Okay, I'm gonna just react to this because god damn, dude, like I just seeing for engines good show son about intake is super bad show 100%. Okay, maybe not. The implementation seems quite straightforward. Alright, I'm gonna just comment here. Alright. Since the first time I've seen your desktop, I was jealous to have a similar working environment, and thanks to DHH and his build, I was able to have it pretty easy. I love your work. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. I should look into Omarkey and DHH. I'm a bit out of the loop on that. But seeing a lot of stuff on the internet recently about that, so yeah, gotta check that sometime. Make darling macros create an optional dependency. So I commented on this yesterday. It's been a joy so far working with you. This is not directly about muscle. This prog macros don't work static linking. Got it. Thanks for the additional details. Yes, we could. I mean, what do we actually use in stability? So guys, we created this, we forked this little crate that helps us document the unstable features in the docs. So like, I don't know if I can show you something here, but like stateful, let's have a look at this one maybe. Yeah, so this little crate that we forked and using right now helps us add this comment, or maybe not, I don't know. It helps us to, you know, annotate things as unstable. That uses a prog macro to do that. So I guess in order to link statically, you cannot use prog macros. So now the question is, can we make this optional? Which I'm gonna check in a second. I need to check the code base. So instability, unstable. I mean, we're not using it in many places, to be honest. So what is this project actually? SYD Rust. Can I find that project somehow? Is this the project? Anime girl, okay. Okay, SYD2, I think I found it. Rock solid application kernel. Damn. Alright, I mean, I don't know. I guess I'm gonna look into it a bit more later, but yeah, 1 second. Alright, so I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. So we are annotating functions like this, Can you gate that annotation behind a future flag so that instability is optional somehow? Yeah, something like this, I think. Yeah, exactly. Would that work? Where am I right now? Since we crossed term, let's try it. Let's try building it. potentially make instability gated behind a feature flag. So the annotations example snippet. So this becomes stability. I haven't tried this. Could work. Then we could enable instability as default and make it opt out. What do you think? Also, I'm curious about what year building. Is this the SYD Tui project? Can you share some info about it? All right. Boom. Just moving on. Moving on to other issues and PRs. So I got something from Shingo, a gigantic PR, something gigantic. I'm just gonna have a quick look at it. I think he's now working on splitting this further, just like making it like smaller PRs, you know, but let's have a look. Biggest Monkus, sup bro, how you been? Just chilling, man, how about you? Alright, I created a goal, guys. It's very important, okay? I got a goal. Yeah, anyways. Pretty good. Biggest Monkus sounds like a animal name, bro. I hope that's not your real name. Biggest. Oh my god, this is gigantic, bro. This is huge, man. Shingo, are you still watching? What did you do here, man? What's going on? CD comments. Oh my god, 46 comments. Oh no. Yeah, I'm watching server and big one. Oh, okay, it's actually 3,000 lines. It's alright. I have reviewed. My personal record on PRs is 4,000 lines. Okay, I reviewed 4,000 lines. That's my personal record, but 3.5. It's gonna be tough. This looks AI generated as fuck. No, it's not, bro. Trust me. Yeah, it should be split into small ones. Looks good to me. Just kidding. So, one thing I'm curious about is my text is basically a horizontal counterpart of the text. Okay. Do we have anything practical that I can try out for now? Okay, these are looking good actually. Node.js, Node. Okay, let's look actually. You made me curious. 47, 65. Enable Node.js to run with Microsoft's Chocolate Core engine. Files changed 4,700. What the? It's closed though. Why is this closed? Just merge it, man. Come on. 4,000, like what the fuck? 4,000 lines changed and 2 million. Shingo, you're just like, you gotta compete with these people, man. You got a long way to go, Shingo, but you gotta just, one day just come up with a PR like this. How is this even allowed, man? This should be illegal on GitHub. What the hell? I'm back. Hello, just us. It's closed because it was too big. Yeah, I mean, come on, man. You can do 3 million, Shingo. Oh my god. How is this even like legal, man? And wow, okay, GitHub is still running fine for some reason. Looking at freaking 3 million lines. This is a meme, guys. Come on, this can't be real. Remember when I was open my jaw drive? I don't know why I told you this was a good idea. Dude, this should be a meme, like, come on, dude. I don't believe that this is actually serious. But it looks kind of serious, dude. I like it. This guy's a legend. I can still comment on this. Yeah, man, it's crazy. It's crazy. Thanks for sharing. By the way, biggest smokers. It's, yeah, from time to time you gotta see how small you are in the whole world, man. Here we are saying that, the 3,500 lines is big, but on the other side of the world, people are just like reviewing 3 million lines almost. So we're actually very small, like we're tiny. Yeah. Why is this guy's profile picture looks like it's been taken from a jail or something, man? I think this guy went to jail after this. It's because of that. I mean, this is just a mugshot of his, Dude, this is what I would look like on my profile picture if I was working at Nvidia. Not gonna lie, bro. Yeah. Yeah. Guys, yeah, I don't know what to say, man. This is like, I think, his previous profile picture. You know, this is like before this PR and, you know, before this PR and after this PR, dude. Two different, entirely different person. He left Microsoft, yeah. Understandable. Gotta head out. Have a good one. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Right. Then I'm just skipping this one. Man, I have so many other stuff to work on, man. It's been already 2 hours now. Damn. One second, guys. Let me check my notifications. I think I want to take a look at this this PR because I missed it and it's been closed. No, it's from Shingo again. Why is this closed? What happened here? Okay, I'm just gonna ignore it. Maybe I should say something here, or maybe you want to leave a comment here because, you know, people might wonder why this was closed. Okay, maybe I can just say talk to Shingo, and apparently this is obsolete. Leaving a comment here so we won't wonder afterwards. Alright. Cool. I like PRs like this, man. Easy. I like it. I wish everything was like that, you know. Just kidding. Keep doing great work out there. Appreciate it. You know, the best PR out there is the closed ones. You know, just write that down, alright? Write that down. My favorite pull requests are the closed ones. Because you don't gotta do anything in there. It's closed, done. You know, okay, so I'll make a issue to get company feedback from the communities with the PR. Yep, sounds good. Support arbitrary ANSI sequences by passing them through style. Let me just read this properly, man. Oh, I think somebody asked a question about this recently. Okay, let me have a look at this last comment. Interesting. But this would mean that okay, that I get it. It's pretty good actually. Global default style is theme flavor option. Okay, everything seems fine. I mean, seems like they did what they wanted, and yeah, seems alright. So guys, I'm not sure if you're aware of this, but we're redesigning the landing page, and I'm super excited for it. We have oh my god, look at this emojis. So I have reviewed this PR already. Just approve it and run it. Excited to take a look at this again soon. Just let me know when it's ready. You could take a look at it when it's deployed, I think. If it's being deployed, hopefully it's gonna be deployed. But I think this is gonna be super nice. Maybe it's deployed here. Nope, it's not deployed here. But you know, this is the landing page, and I had some ideas for it. For example, some stuff like, oh man, this looks super freaking neat, man. I think it's a banger. It's a banger. You know, instead of using 0 1s here for animation, I said let's use mouse and food, cheese, rats and stuff like that. So yeah, stuff like that basically. Gonna be great. All right, but I guess it's not ready yet. So we cannot take a look. I have 3 items left in my notification box, and 2 of them are related to the release. And I am a bit cooked, tired, so I'm not sure if I want to take a look at that now. Maybe we can take a look at the other, I don't know, issues. Maybe I should just go, man. Let me search for the beta release. Yeah, I need to do some changelog stuff and yeah, maybe I can do another live stream tomorrow to work on it, or maybe tonight. I don't know, guys. Let me get refreshed. All right, I gotta refresh myself with something else first, but then we're gonna be back. Also need to paint this, so I'm gonna go ahead and buy some paint for it. Yeah, I really look forward to it. I want to use the same colors as I use in the in this image, so it's like, I don't know, gray, black, and just pink for the ears and brown for the bottle. So yeah, gonna paint that like that, and yeah, that's how it is. But I guess that's it from me, guys, for now. I'll see you in another place. We have a Discord, by the way. It's grindhouse.dev if you want to join us. I'm gonna leave a link. Boom. I guess I'll see you another time. Shingo, Biggest Marcus, Justas, I don't know who else joined, Nikolai, Dev there, and anyone else who joined. Thank you for sticking around. I'm gonna see you in the next one, people. Stay with rats and stay with cheese. Keep cooking, alright? Goodbye.